ma-activate ko itong S-Loan natin. Tapos i-activate now. Pagpasensya nyo na yung aking tsura. For today's video, meron ako i-share sa inyo kung paano i-activate or susubukan ko i-activate yung aking S-Loan or Shopee S-Loan. Dahil kanina, inactivate ko yung aking SPay Later. Ayun, na-approvean ako. And ngayon, susubukan ko kung pwede ako mag S-Loan or Shopee Loan. Kung interested nyo malaman, kung hindi ka pa napag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button, kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa may upload yung video dahil ang aking YouTube channel ay nagsishare pa ako ng tutorial. If interested ka, let's go! For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin i-activate yung ating S-Loan or Shopee Loan. Get up to 50,000 and since ang aking SPay Later is approved na. Yun, ang aking SPay Later is approved. 500 yung aking available credit limit and yung ating mga financial services is that this one. You will see, yan, activated yung aking SPay Later. Shopee Loan naman natin, if we are going to activate and try ko nga kung ma-approvean ako dito, di ba? Tap ko lang si activate now. Wait ko lang mag-display and loading pa. Kung i-activate naman natin si Shopee Loan, abot kayang cash loan, activate now. Paano natin i-activate? 1 minute application, instant withdrawal, up to 100,000 credit limit and low interest. Ito naman yung guide kung paano gagana yung ating Shopee Loan. Kinakailangan activated yung ating account dito sa Shopee. Nasa step 1 which is activate yung aking account. Pangalawa na gagawin ko is withdraw cash to Shopee Pay. And number 3, repay and installment. Sa repay installment, kapag na fully paid or nakapag-settle tayo ng ating installment using our SPay Later. Ito yan. Connected yan dito sa SPay Later. Try ko or subukan ko nga kung ma-activate ko itong S-Loan natin. Tapos i-activate now. Sorry, you are not temporarily unable to activate your S-Loan account. As you have another loan product application under review, please try again later. Okay, so yun, kinakailangan ma-check to and ma-check to. Kumbaga, ito yung pinaka-credit standing bago ma-activate yung ating S-Loan. If interested ka mag-S-Loan dito sa Shopee. So, ito yung mga step muna na ating gagawin bago tayo makapag-loan dito sa S-Loan natin sa Shopee. And hope nakapagbigay ako ng knowledge kung paano natin ma-activate yung ating S-Loan and kaka-approve lang yung aking SPay Later. Kinakailangan magamit ko muna SPay Later ko bago dito sa S-Loan natin. Pag once na applicable na ako makapag-apply dito sa S-Loan, I will update regards to this. If you like on this, do it thumbs up, like, and share. Kung hindi ka pa napag-subscribe, click the subscribe button. Kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa may upload yung video. And this is Arn Abantao. Keep on watching. See you on my next update kapag na-activate ko na yung aking S-Loan dito sa Shopee. Thank you for watching.